Hello everyone, our liquid cooling cabinet testing is in position. Now it's our engineers' showtime. EMS, the brain of the liquid-cooled system. Cables like neutral networks. Go engineers, fast, sharp, no debate. Terminals, one by one locked into the EMS. Yes, perfect connection. We just finished the BMS communication. Now it's time to do the routing. BMS, inverter, all nodes online. The communication established. The cabinet space is tight, but battery, liquid cooling, fire suppression, every part function well. To promise the safe usage, now this is our installation test. Safety, high efficiency. This is Bluesun standards. Now we are upgrading the EMS. The newest edition will provide the best usage experience. This cabinet will deploy to factories, charging hubs, data centers, but its reliability was forged here. Another cabinet is ready for the field. Want to know more about us? Please follow our channel.